Thank you for watching another UPCI Music Ministry video on YouTube. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Also, make sure and subscribe to our channel in order to get the latest content videos and tutorials.
All right, this last chorus turnaround ending section coming out of that run. We're going to be out in the beginning, and while we're out, we can play around this D flat on the 16th fret. Kind of muting it, not really playing a full note, just like that. More of a little bit of just a rhythmic thing, going up and down with our thumb on the string. And then we'll slide F, or not slide, excuse me, we'll go from low F to G flat, drive, and then walk it down. And that's just G flat, F, E flat, D flat. And what we're doing there is on that low D flat, and then when we want to get to that C, we're going to play A flat, D flat, C. And then A to B flat, and then F, G flat. And once we get to that G flat, we're going to do this run. Chord from the A to the B flat, and then F, G flat again, and then we'll do this run. And then we'll end it just like that. And then slide up on an octave on that G flat, and that's the ending.